Here at school, I like to play volleyball and my friends basketball, which is also cultivated. Whether or not we would like to talk about someday, hopefully, I will be there for it. Yes.
And it's more like an experience.
Just Stanford, which is an Ivy League in the US. UCLA as well. And then prestigious schools such as Rutgers in the UK. Here we have distillation and titration.
Very nice. Each one of them. That's very nice. And what are you? Who is the volunteer? Yes.
So we're doing viscosity of the different liquids. We put the here so that's why we've allotted this space to honor their work and growth.
So nice. Very nice.
Hi.
Good morning.
I didn't see here.
Try reading. Very nice. And what should we?